I need somebody here with me, so baby girl, do not leave me. I'm feeling this pain in my veins, this blood running all down my sleeve. Girl, I am too much for you. You cannot take care of me. Girl, I am so into you. Entertain me like a TV. My name is Cheeto, and if a nigga run up on me, he get heat though. And if a nigga run up on me, he get heat though. And if he try to run up on me, that's his speed up. I got some youngers that be looking up to me though. I have them looking for you like your name was Nemo. Give me that. Take his bike, we take it short like we Debo. Come here. She throw it back, yeah, she on my lap, yeah, she a freak. Come here. She throw it back, she on my lap, yeah, she a freak. Fuck, I'm so scared, man. I'm serious. I feel like I can't live without my brother, man. That's crazy, man. I'm telling you, big dog. I need somebody here with me, so baby girl, do not leave me. I'm feeling this pain in my veins, this blood running all down my sleeve. Girl, I am too much for you. You cannot take care of me. Girl, I am so into you. Entertain me like a TV. Hey man, see man, you already know, nigga. Me and my nigga 2 in the penthouse.